Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Deepfake on Apple MacBook laptop. So this is a MacBook M4, and I'm trying to show you the type of MacBook. So this is a MacBook Air Apple M4 with 16 gig RAM, and so basically, to use Deepfake, it's not that hard. It's pretty straightforward, but people find it complicated to install. So today I'll just be showing you what it looks like on the Apple MacBook. So here we have the folder for the Deepfake. Compared to Windows, that you don't need to, you just need to install some stuff, and maybe you just double click stuff, but on the Apple you just need to use the terminal. So to use it on the terminal, I advise people to just right click on this folder that you have it installed or maybe downloaded. You click on new terminal at folder. This will just create a terminal in that folder environment, so you don't need to complicate things. So to use the software, you need to be familiar with some few commands, and to get started you need to activate Python on the folder that we installed it, because Python, this software was created using a Python environment. So to do that, you need to activate the Python environment, and the Python environment, the codes are pretty simple. These are something that you can easily memorize. So to activate your environment, you need to be sure this shows that you are already in the folder, Deepfake folder. So to activate the environment, just type Python 3.10 space -m VNV. What this means is preparing it for the virtual environment. So now we need to activate the virtual environment, which is socks VNV. It's a similar command prompt on Windows too. I'll be showing you for Windows in the next videos. So now we need to activate that virtual environment. You click on enter. Virtual environment is successfully activated. So the next thing to do is call up the software that controls the Deepfake video. So to do that, you run another command prompt. So just type Python 3.10 space run.py space -, execution -provider, and as you guess, the provider is core ML. Press enter and you wait. Sit back and wait. So for best result, I always recommend using a clear camera, but luckily on the iPhone you can always use your Apple camera. On the Apple laptop, you can just use your phone camera if you have your Bluetooth on and you have your phone synced. I'll show you videos about that later as we go by. So your Bluetooth is turned on and you're able to connect to your iPhone. So now to use the software is pretty simple. This is the dashboard of the software. You're presented with this screen that shows you to select image, start live, and change performance mode. Depending on your laptop and the kind of RAM that you have, the performance mode might vary. I want to show you something. There's a message around this performance mode there. Trying to get there. I'm trying to expand this screen. So what this just means is, if you put this on fast, the frame rate will be low. If you put it on balance, the frame rate will be high. If you put it on quality, the frame rate will be very high. So we select the image that you want to use. I'm using Drake because Drake is my friend, so I think maybe we should use this one. I think this one is better. The skin tone is sharper on this picture. So you click on open to tell your source face to successfully to show you a preview here. So I want to use balance mode. So you click on start live. When you are done, lip syncing is on, so to be able to sync the lip with my I've turned it off. Voila. So start live. So I'm using my phone camera. As you can see, the quality is dope. It's pretty nice quality. Greasy Drakey. Fuck, this thing is up. So as you can see, it's not bad. Lip syncing. I don't know why the lip syncing. I think it's working. So on the screen you can see the FPS and the mode, performance mode is balanced. And get on my head. It's pretty cool. Awesome. This is nice. What do you think? So that's basically it. If you want to install it, let me know in the comment section. I'll drop my contact so you can use to contact me and reach me. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share. See you in the next one. Peace.